Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing something with you that has been an absolute game changer for my family, especially when it's come to staying healthy. So for over a year now, I started giving my kids turmeric milk, or what's generally known as golden milk, and I have seen a huge improvement in their health. They haven't had the usual colds or flus or any of those pesky diseases that they normally get. My 3-year-old, I used to literally take him to the hospital every other month. It was either an ear infection or throat infection or cold or flu. It was crazy. But for over a year now, they've not had as little as a temperature. So today I'm not only going to show you how I make the turmeric milk, but I'm going to share some of the benefits with you. So stay tuned and let's dive into it. So all you need is 1 cup of milk. You can use any kind, cow's milk, almond or coconut milk. Personally, I prefer almond milk. 1/4 to half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which helps with the absorption of the curcumin that's in the turmeric, which we'll talk about in a little bit. And for an optional, you can add a little bit of honey or any sweetener of your choice. Personally, I use either honey or date syrup. That's a really good option as well. So guys, now let's talk about why turmeric milk is so beneficial. Turmeric, or as it's often called the golden spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The main compound in turmeric is something called curcumin, which has very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These are the properties that help boost the immune system, making it easier for our bodies to fight off infections. And that's exactly the reason my kids have been so healthy lately. But you see, it's not just about immunity. Turmeric milk also promotes better digestion, improves skin health, and can even help with sleep. It's truly a wonder drink. Now let me show you exactly how I make it for my kids and how I make it for myself. It is super simple and quick, and you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. So start by heating the milk in a small pot over medium heat. Once it's warm, add the turmeric powder and stir well. Then add a little pinch of black pepper. The black pepper is really important because it significantly enhances the absorption of the curcumin into the body. So that's a very important step you don't want to miss. Let it simmer for a while, for a couple of minutes, but don't let it boil. This will ensure that all the ingredients are mixed very well and the flavors come together nicely. Once it's ready, pour the milk into a cup. You can add a little bit of honey or your favorite sweetener if you like it a little bit sweeter, and that's it. Your turmeric milk is ready for you to enjoy. Personally, I add a shot of espresso to mine. Listen, there's nothing as good as a nice cup of turmeric milk plus a shot of espresso in the morning to give you the boost that you need for the day. Cheers. Absolutely delicious. It's actually become a part of our nightly routine now. For myself, I add some ginger to it when I take it at night time, but for the kids, I keep it simple. If you haven't tried turmeric milk before, I highly recommend that you do. It's such a simple way to boost your immune system and get rid of and put all those colds and flus at bay once and for all. So a great tip I'm going to provide is if you find the taste of turmeric, or if your kids find the taste of turmeric strong at first, start with a small amount and gradually increase the portion as they get used to it. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have found it useful, and if you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with someone who might benefit from this. And if you also give it a go, share in the comment section. Let me know how your kids are getting on with it, and also share the great benefits that you've seen. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Cheers.